Hey guys, it's Sydney, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a vegan pumpkin spice latte, and this is the perfect drink for fall. So here's a list of ingredients. And the first step is to brew your coffee, and I have an espresso at home, but feel free to use whatever machine or whatever type of coffee you like. The second step is to add your vegan milk to a pot and then warm up this. Next, you want to add your pumpkin puree, and I had the stove on a medium to low heat. Then you want to add your maple syrup and whisk everything in. And the last step is to add your vegan making the vegan pumpkin spice latte. So I made one iced and I made one hot. So I just split everything in half. I didn't double recipe, I just split everything in half because it's actually 7:30 p.m. and I don't need a lot of caffeine. I don't need any caffeine, to be honest. So I'm going to try the ice one first. And I didn't add any sweeteners or anything yet. It's good. I do need to add some sweetener to it. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, I have to get a few more sips in, but this is good. It's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge for work tomorrow morning. It's good. I did that. Okay, and this is the hot one, and I made this one super duper cute. I sprinkled some more pumpkin spice on top, and then I got the vegan whipped cream. That would have vegan whipped cream in it, but I ran out of vegan whipped cream. Oh my god. Y'all, right, Prince, right. I did this. He had to make guest appearance, but I did this. That tastes exactly like a Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. Can you believe it? I need my own MasterChef show. That's so good. You were talking. What did you want to say? Say period, Pooh. This is so good. Like, both of them are so good. I'm so happy. I have not had pumpkin spice latte in like 2 or 3 years because the ones from Starbucks and the ones from Dunkin' Donuts are not vegan. I called some local coffee shops around my town, and not in DC. I'm sure they probably do have it in DC, but even like the Phil's coffee that they do have in DC, they don't have it. They have like a caramel, like macchiato type thing. They don't have pumpkin flavor, but I need pumpkin for fall. So now it's officially fall. I'm gonna make this like every day, like way into New Year's, probably until Valentine's Day. And this is the pumpkin puree that I used. So this is the Libby's 100% pure pumpkin, and I just picked this up at Safeway. It was like $1 or something. And you can see I only need 2 tablespoons for the recipe, and there is plenty more. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge. But y'all, this is so good. This is so good. so I'm gonna leave the recipe below and also a link to my website because your girl started a blog. Check out my blog, all about vegan recipes, cute fashion, and travel. So if you want to see more recipes like this and see what else I can veganize, I will try that, especially with the holidays coming up. And then I have some cute fall fashion on there as well. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like, leave a comment if you guys want to try this, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.